Introducing Script, the exclusive Stencil Club set for May 2019, made by Cecilia Swatton.
The new stencil set is based on the script alphabet. The 6x6 stencil starts the alphabet with the letter A, B, C, D, E. The 4x4 stencil ends the alphabet with the letter X, Y, and Z. The 9x12 stencil holds the rest of the alphabet, beginning with the letter F, going through the rest of the letters all the way to the letter W, as in William. Notice that on the 9x12 stencil, the star of the show is the big letter O. My inspiration for creating this stencil set was actually started years ago when I took classes in doing calligraphy by hand, and we were taught then to use a light box. This is a light box. Over the light box, we were taught to use a sheet of graph paper, which I have attached here just to make it a little bit more secure. I used some masking tape. And we used a ruler on the graph paper to draw our guidelines. This is an example of an old guideline sheet. The letters were typically smaller than what I'm going to be doing today, but I wanted to do something for this that was a little bit easier for everybody to see. Over the masking tape, over the grid paper, you place the sheet of paper that you want to use. We were taught in the old days to use a calligraphy dip pen. It looks like this. The nib is something that you can insert and take out. You can insert it or take it out, and it comes in different sizes. I'm using a moderately large size. The way that it works is you dip it into the inkwell. That's the way that we did it in the old days. Now fast forward. In today's world, we do the same thing on the computer, and we use either Photoshop or Illustrator or any program like that. So again, you have the 6x6 stencil, A, B, C, D, E. The 4x4 stencil, X, Y, Z. When I was creating these in the computer program, I was able to just take liberties with all of these swirly lines and all the loops and curls and use those to connect the letters to create a stencil that would hold together. And this is the other one. This is the 9x12. This printout here is a little smaller than the actual stencil, but this is what it looked like when I created it on the computer. I really had a lot of fun playing with this stencil set, and I hope that you'll enjoy it too.
Thanks so much for watching. Remember, Stencil Club stencil sets ship on the 15th of the month, and members will be able to access the designer's exclusive project video and PDF. Need stencils? Just click the link below. Happy stenciling!